So episode 2 of the next phase of the work we're going to do on the flatbed. So in this episode we're going to cover wheels. We were going to save that to the end, but we've got something a little bit different for the wheels. We've had them for a while now and I feel like it'd be a shame to not show them off or show you them now. So first up, let's get the new wheels on. Right, so I've got to try and hold this really still because somebody mentioned that they get dizzy watching our videos. I think I move around too much. Keep it stiff. Right, the new wheels are on. So they are 20-inch steels, and I'm too tired to remember what the specs are, so Mikey will explain what we got.
On the front we've got a 20 by 9 ET45 and we're running a 225 35 tyre, and on the back it's a 20 by 10 and that's a 245 35 on that, but they've been custom banded by Dutchy.
There we go. So. Ferret grey. See, it's just been, for Monday it's been a tough day, isn't it? It's tiring. So these have been, been banded by Dutchy, so the 20-inch steels, and you said that already. So these, because of the subframe raise, these sit really close to the bags. So we're going to have a think about how we're going to possibly change the... Alright, I forgot to mention that we have got a meeting with the people that produce these, with potentially getting them made already at the right sizes. So staggered fitment, especially for T5s. Maybe change the pattern, maybe do the solid, maybe do smooth, maybe do a different hole pattern, but we've got a meeting with them next week and hopefully we'll be able to supply you them ready to go, so you've not got to have the effort of getting them banded. But if not, get Dutchy to band them because she does an amazing job. So yeah, these ones here, the fronts are really tight to the bag. When we get the low down kit on, it probably is going to be even tighter because it's lower. So we'll work out that, even if we have to put a 3mm shim or something on it, but we'll explain that as we go along. I think it looks pretty good. What do you reckon? Like it?
Okay.
I think at the minute, with the shininess of the yellow, it's not my favourite look, but when we get the commercial front end on, which is happening, I think they'll work really well. And just like that, the weather changed, my beard grew and Mikey disappeared and the flatbed moved. So we were going to make this episode slightly longer and feature some of the stuff, but we've decided to call it a day with the wheels because the other stuff that we're doing is going to take up a whole episode. So that's the wheels. Keep watching or subscribe for the next episode, which will be a new quiet compressor we want to try inside this that we've imported. The compressor's in the front seat for this, so it's really noisy. Gives your passenger a thrill if they like that kind of thing, but it is really noisy. So we've got some new compressors we imported we want to try, so that's going to feature in the next episode. And also we're going to start the interior, so genuine Alcantara throughout, dash, door cards, headlining, bit of a crazy colour going on. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share the channel. Plenty more exciting stuff to come on this flatbed.